Who Are You? We've got E major, D major, A, E, A, E. Couldn't really be easier, but again, that is a slightly quick change for the total beginners amongst you. So an A chord with one finger can make that easier, especially on electric guitar. That one finger A chord really is like a top thing to learn. So E major, D major, A, E, A, E. That's how I would play it. You could do this A as well. This is super handy, like 2, 3, 4. We don't have to over rely as much on this one as we do on acoustic. Because acoustic, this really helps a lot of people. On electric, one finger can help people a lot more. Or even this one, because it kind of trains us to do... Let me tell you. Then we have, let me give myself a little bit more overdrive so we can give it a bit of the Pete Townsend way. We have E, D, A, and then a little riff. Is 3, 2, 0 on the A string, 2, 3, and you can do that as a slide, pick, slide, and then it's the octave of that G. 2, 3, 5 here. And all of these are 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4. Really good one. Who was it mentioned that they were needing some help with timing? 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and. Such a good one. Let's have a little jam along. We got some little Pete Townsendisms here, if I can think of any I'd like to show you. All of those so far are just Chuck Berry-isms, they really are. I mean, it almost sounds like he's going to go into... So there, our song starts properly. That's the beginner level way. An intermediate level way of doing that, or even an advanced way, is playing E, A, and D as many different ways as you possibly can on the guitar. This is the #1 best exercise for like real practical song fretboard knowledge. You have a riff. How many different ways can you play that riff? that is basically the Who. Let's have a little jam along.